turn this down here. Cool. So today I'm gonna. Let me just. Music is fine, but it's a little too loud for me. All right. I'm really excited for today because I realized like there's something cool we can do. Like yesterday, we kind of got like some cool shaders with Grok, and so we've built a we kind of have this page here that can do some there's a good like proof of concept that we can do some audio analysis stuff, and like it's decently synced with the beat. So I was thinking like we can maybe make these shaders that we did synced with the beat, and actually I see this. I don't know why I get so many reels. I guess it's because I like them, but there's a lot of these like reels where it's like people are making visuals sync with music. So I think we can actually achieve this, and we can do like tons of them. We can make so many of them. We can generate like 1 million different types of shaders with the same approach that we did, and then we can just sync it with any music we upload. I think that'd be kind of a fun thing. Just a fun thing to explore. I really liked when we worked on the animation, the audio, and I had a lot of fun. So I think it'll be fun today too to try to make that work. But I'm not totally sure how to do it. So I'm probably gonna chat with Grok for a little bit. Let's see why the music stopped. Play our Suno songs here. Yeah, maybe today we can make a few more songs too. We have like 14 pretty good ones, I would say. Actually, we have more than 14 because we created this other stuff category. Oh yeah, let's play this one. I like this one. This one's pretty good. Cool. So let me open Edge. It's kind of where I do my streaming stuff. All right. And maybe just a few things clean up, but so let's go to Twitter. Actually, let me check. Was there anything interesting? Oh yeah, this is interesting. This guy, actually, I didn't even try this yet. He built kind of a Ghibli-looking art game, and it looks really impressive. He's making it with AI, so check it out. Wow, this looks really good. Man, I could play a game that looks like this. Oh, it even has so I can't climb this. I wonder if there's any mechanics yet, or... Wow, it's procedural. That's actually amazing. I assume this would be something that he made in Blender or something and plugged it in. But if this is procedural, that's a whole nother thing. I'm gonna walk for a second because I want to see what's over here. Okay, yeah, he does have borders, so it's not infinite. Maybe he's maybe it's only procedural in some directions or something. Oh wow, those are cool birds. I have a hard time believing that this is this just made with 3GS? I guess, yeah. But that's a lot of models we're loading. Pretty interesting. Oh yeah, I thought this was cool. I'm gonna probably try this. I remember I couldn't think of anything I can use this for right now, but it's essentially you can automate a series of commands or repetitive tasks that you're doing, and it's pretty simple. You just do like slash. Oh, this is the one where it creates the workflow. Yeah, it's pretty good for like automations. So like if you're deploying a website or something, but granted, I don't really know. I mean, that's probably useful for starting up. Like, let's say you bring in a repo and get a quick, but I don't know. I don't really know how useful that is because you can just automate that yourself too. It's not too hard. Okay, so let me Okay, cool. I think it's everything. Yeah, I bookmarked this because I agree. It's a good way to learn. Yeah, that's kind of funny. All right, cool. Let me see here. So first, what I need to do is I need to go to that shader website because I need to experiment for a little bit, and also chat with Grok about how to do this. Okay, it was this post here. So I'm probably gonna have this open a lot today. I mean, the capabilities are sort of, we can do crazy stuff. Like even the reel that I saw on this where it's like the shader, it's not even a shader, just like some lines syncing with music. Like what we could do with shaders here is going to be like visually much crazier because it would be 3D. I mean, it's insane some of the stuff you see people create, like the really realistic like flowing grass that we saw yesterday. Like we could potentially make something like this sync with music. All right, so first thing I need to understand is oh, I need to start it up. Let's get the shader that we created yesterday because I like that one. Let's see, why is the music stopping? One moment. Oh, I just clicked play. Gotcha. There's the one before it. Is it one of these? Oh yeah, I think it was this one. Like imagine this syncing with the music, but it's actually better in the second half. So what I'm gonna do is open the repo. I'm gonna create a new page. We're gonna call it make a page that is syncing the shader with the music that we've done in Audio Analyzer. Firstly, how can we load in some shaders? I created one here. We want to be able to visualize it on this page. Create a component to visualize the shader and put it in the page. Then I will give you the shader after you complete this. Just do the, well, I'll see what it does. But I'm actually gonna touch that there. There we go. Yeah, I'm pretty excited for this, but I think I'm gonna zoom this out a little bit. But I don't really remember how to do that, so I'm gonna ask Grok. So zoom it out a bit so I can see more of the tornado. Let's make a few more. Right now, most of these are the same lyrics. I'll play this one. That'll be useful. Hold on. I've never actually looked this up. Is there like a site for this? Wait, what if we made a cool site where people can make a bunch of, like, we kind of help them out with making some cool visualizations? Or maybe we could just make it part of this site. Let's see, is it done? Oh, it's already creating the syncing stuff. Create a shader too. But we'll replace this with our water tornado thing. It's creating a collection of predefined shaders. Wait, did it actually create the page yet or no? I don't think so. Let me look. Oh yeah, that did. It's audio shader sync is the page. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I have to rebuild probably. No, don't do that. I rebuild. Okay, so I'm just clarifying so it knows how to structure the files. So make sure I can navigate to the shader sync page. Where's the URL for it? I'll attach a few files so it's the Oh, why is it doing that? Let's see. Link.
In the hush, I feel the tone.
Okay.
Never sharp, yet fully known.
That was caps matter? Okay. I didn't know that caps matters with the page navigation.
I heard it clear without the
Okay. I didn't know that. I don't really like when I leave the library, it stops playing. Wait, does Suno have a desktop app? So I'd prefer to do that. Okay, they don't. Interesting. I wonder why. Oh, wow. Wow. That's already pretty cool. Let's style this page up a bit. Make the shader in a component centered in the middle, not taking in a box, not taking up full width of the screen, and style up the page, make sure to add our header page. Pretend you are a professional designer, web developer. Wait, does it already have a ton of these? God, that's crazy. Hey, thanks, man. Yeah, I made the music. You can believe it. The Suno. 4.5 is just crazy. Oh yeah, I could definitely see this as syncing with the music. Oh, that'd be cool if we make like a desktop app or something, but no way. That's crazy. It just generated it like this. That's so cool looking. Oh, you get your custom shaders. I mean, I've been using this for a while now, and sometimes it's just insane what it can just generate really quickly. Like, I think the biggest strength is right when you start a project, how quickly you can make progress. Like, it slows down a little bit later. Like, once you get into the project, you're kind of like making some steady progress, but the fact that you can just start and then a few minutes later you have this is pretty crazy to me. I still can't. Anyways, def helps lock in. Cool. Yeah, my girlfriend told me that yesterday. She's like, you should keep the music always playing. I'm like, oh, okay. But okay, what I was saying before though is, if this was maybe like a desktop app like Spotify, it could take whatever sound is playing on your computer, and then it would sync it to that instead of you have to upload an audio file. So that way you could kind of like be chilling, listen to some music, and then kind of just have this up maybe somewhere. Maybe you could set it as like a background somewhere, like on your I don't really know how to do that. Music, and then but I think we're gonna plug in our shader that we created over here. Honestly, I like their shaders too because they're pretty simple, but kind of good vibes. Let me see where they put it, so I can just plug it in. I'm gonna push this though. Go, let's plug in this one. I'll just ask it to do it. Make it a separate file and plug it in. Wait, I wonder if the... Okay, I can already upload the audio file. Let's see if it'll play. Man, if they already hooked up the... Wow, they already hooked that up. I don't think they hooked up the actual analyzer thing that we made yet, but it is playing. Wait. It already hooked up the shader to the analysis stuff. That's crazy. Because the shader's moving. Oh, I guess we should have tried, whoa. I try putting it in here if it already made this part. Oh. Oh well. Looks kind of cool. It doesn't look the same as this one. I wonder... I think I ran into this error one time before. I don't think you can do this, but it should be a pretty easy fix. Let's maybe make some new shaders while we wait for the generations. So one thing though I'm gonna do when you're using Grok and you bring in a post to a chat, it's using a worse model. So I think it'd be better if we paste everything that this guy said into another place. So what I'm gonna do is summarize everything he said. Make sure to keep all the details. And then we're gonna take that and then create a new chat and generate shaders in that one. I recommend following this guy though. He makes a bunch of really cool shaders every day. Not every day, but frequently. I'm gonna ask it to summarize without.
Feet on fire, I trace the ash. Wild winds howl as echoes crash underneath the full moon.
I'm pretty sure when you're in the browser, I don't think you can get the audio of what I'm playing, but I'm gonna make sure. I don't think it's possible, but
Take my hand,
we could if it's a desktop app though.
sunbound. Take my hand, we'll dance sunbound.
Yeah. That's what I thought.
Take my hand, we'll dance.
So it'd be like microphone.
Take my hand, we'll dance
Oh, let's see if it works now. Yeah. I think I know why this is. Because we ran into this a long time ago. Okay. So the way we fixed it last time. So instead of making let's make it a JavaScript file and is set in the variable. Let me just export it into the other files. Because for some reason there's some issues with importing GSLS files, something like that. I'll download this one. I think I'm going to, as soon as Suno API comes out, we gotta make something. I kind of like this retro look though. Like I made this new header. So this is our prior one. Let's take a look here. What if we change the style of the site to be kind of more like I'm gonna ask her, like, what would this style be called?
distant whispers rise up
Yeah, why not? Let's make like a nostalgic looking website. I think that's a good idea. All right, let's do that real quick. I'm gonna close some files here. Probably Chrome again. Did I say files? Close Windsurf for now. Oh yeah, Chrome is a healthy 61 gigabytes. So I'm gonna open Zuno on an Edge. At 308. All right, now I'm gonna close Chrome. So seems way louder for some reason. So yeah, let's make this style more. Let's ask for the give me a simple description, simple prompts to capture the aesthetic. I'm just gonna use that part because. Okay, restyle this page with this goal in mind around this aesthetic. Both the header, footer, buttons, etc. Wait, what if we in the background of this page have maybe some cool shaders too, like the ones that we create? So, example, oh, we gotta fix this one first. Yeah, open Windsurf while we wait on this other one, because they're different files. So this one we could just attach this file, the error. But yeah, I was thinking like some of the shaders it generated, maybe it's kind of like in the background or something. But let's see, like first, what kind of the retro style looks like. I really want a desktop app for this though. Wait, is there any open source things people made already? Ask Grok. Anything? Is anyone on Twitter? Oh right, there's no API yet. Forgot about that. So yeah, I don't think so. Maybe UDO one though. I don't know, is UDO API? Okay. Well, I'll be waiting. Let's take a look, see if it finished the change. All right, we'll apply this, see if it
Hearing
works
your
there.
echoes, distant whispers rise up and
Oh, no error. It's good.
feel the earth
So this is the one we're trying to plug in here, over here. Let me just check if there's any errors here. Oh, looks like there is. So I'll just paste that in there.
feed on fire.
I'm gonna switch to the right mode. I don't need to.
Wild winds howl as echoes crest.
See, I like to, yesterday we used Z. I liked when I zoomed, I could just do like one section. But in these other two,
Take my hand, we'll dance unbound. Take my hand, we'll dance unbound.
song radio. I haven't tried that yet. I wonder, does it generate new songs? Oh, I see it grabs some songs that people created.
Take my hand, we'll dance unbound.
I haven't had much luck with the remaster. It kind of adds this, like, granted that was a few days ago. The field moves quickly, so I'll try it. The remaster, it kind of always adds this effect. It's weird.
Ethereal echoes, distant whispers rise up on
I'm probably gonna switch to Gemini here with this this prompt. I don't think this file's that big here. Let me check. Not really. That was the thing with the IDE we tried yesterday. Is it's like sometimes it's really useful to be able to switch back and forth, but if you just have Claude, but it's so strange to me because they've been out for years. Why would they only have 3 of the models? They just need to make a few changes, and I will use it. 'Cause it does have some things I liked.
underneath the full moon. Take my hand, we'll dance unbound. Take my hand, we'll
Oh, we're running some commands. It's okay. Let's see if it fixed the oh, nice. Check it out. Looks really cool. Nice. I really like it. And like maybe to the music, kind of like changes speed or even moves around a little bit. But I'll show you guys like that one guy. He has so many interesting things that he has these lights. Let me check out some of the other stuff. Looks like he does a lot of cloud stuff. This one's cool. I mean, that's crazy. Yeah, imagine this synced with music. Wait, hold on. If I just plug in on this one. I don't know why they.
distant whispers rise
I mean, I'm kind of wondering if this will work. Just me plugging in like this. Yeah. So let me ask Grok here. How can I plug in this into our... Just out of curiosity, if I can make it work. Because that'd be a cool one to have. Obviously, I'm not just gonna copy paste it, but I kind of learned maybe how to make something like that, like a similar. I might not do clouds. Maybe we can make it more of the blue. Or yesterday we made kind of like a fire-looking thing, but it would be cool to have this kind of like you're going through like a fire swirl, and then it's synced. Yeah, like this would be one of them. This would be kind of like the underwater thing. And maybe the background would just be blue, like a light blue, like with a little bit of water effect or something. Let's try to ask it to make a background to the shader. Wait, did I make the song? I like this one. Oh, I didn't even add this one to anything. Neon Requiem. Okay, so I think Synth Soul is a winner. Can you imagine if this is the... Wait. What would that sound like? Hold on. Let's make a song, a shader song. Interesting picture I made. Is he saying? He's not saying that, right? He's saying kind of like nonsense words or something. But it's a cool song, actually. Oh, snap. Oh, come on. That's so cool. Dude. Alright, keep it. Okay, maybe a little bit. Nah, I mean, it's pretty cool. Yeah, because before it was kind of like a corporate vibe, I guess. And now it's like gaming, which makes sense because most people is going to use it for like games. I like it though. That's crazy. I gotta be more creative, man. Like, I'm kind of like stuck in the prior, like when it comes to styles, I was just kind of like thinking standard website, but if you prompt it, you can do some really... Alright, I'm probably gonna push that. But maybe let's make the rest of the site look similar. Let me make sure all the buttons still work. Oh, I even changed the headers over here too. Yeah, we can maybe make all the tools and stuff look... I like the style. What do you guys think? Is Is it maybe a little too much? Or I don't think so. I think it fits, right? Like AFK is a gaming term. It kind of feels like an arcade when you come in here. Makes you want to try it. Alright, I'm gonna go get another coffee. I'll be right back.
Float IESG has to walk for O's. I do it without BB Fetzer. SC at Trophy so now you rotate TD can he does what big so he thought be wise he parted to these it's but be all one on me. Ethereal echoes, distant whispers rise upon feel the earth.
Yeah, let's style the rest of the site real quick.
Feet on fire, trace the edge. Wild winds howl as echoes crash. Underneath the full moon, take my hand, we'll dance unbound.
I'm gonna attach the style stuff. So like right now when you start it, right, it's like so gray. Let's make it a similar kind of thing. let's see, when we get over, oh yeah, this is gonna be cool, because like when you come in here, like this can be like a kind of like arcade looking thing. Like this is the screen. It's like a TV, or whatever you call it, the TV of the arcade machine. This could be like a, I don't know, but makes sense to me. Seems to be doing. Oh, cheap viewers. Yay.
Inferior echoes, distant whispers.
Okay, let's go back to the shader page. Wait, is it just me or did that just change? It was different, right? It still looks good, but did I ask it to do that? Oh yeah, I must have asked it to do something. On Windsurf, let's ask it to make the background. Let's see. Should we do the background or should we just make some new ones? Let's make some new ones, probably. I want to continue with, let's make it like a fire and you're going through some like fire swirl things. So I'm gonna just plug in this guy into, ask it to make something inspired by it. Granted, one thing I noticed, like it wasn't able to generate the shaders that look cool until someone explained it, how it works, and then I plugged that in. Oh, nice. We got this part. This is important. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is actually nuts. I think this comment might help a bit. Let's ask Grok to make a new one, but make it different color, everything. Make this shader a shader inspired by this. By this, we want a. Let's maybe keep with the retro feel, I guess. See if we can somehow capture that to a shader. Retro hell. Hold on. Let me use the same prompt I did before. But I'm gonna make sure don't change the functionality per se. Try to understand the underlying principle for how to have the swirl around and us moving through it. It's gonna no, but I don't know about this one, but we'll see. Oh, maybe what we could do, another idea, is we plug this shader in, we get a bunch of comments everywhere. Like we first ask, hey, make comments that explain everything in the code. And then once we do that, then it should be able to, because that's what we did before when we were working on, like we couldn't make a shader, but then as soon as it had the explanations, then it could. All right, let's see if the other one finished with the Oh, nice. Oh, I like this a lot, actually. Cool. Now let's make all these things the same style. Oh, push that there. So I just plug in all the files for that. It's this one. Oh, wait. This whole time it's been Gemini, actually. I didn't realize that. I thought it was using Claude, so that's kind of good to know. I'm pretty impressed with what it's been doing, so. So where were we? This is this page, right? Oh, here it is. Okay, let's try this one. Wow, I'm really surprised that actually compiled. Nice. It's pretty cool, actually. Okay. That's cool. Yeah, imagine like we kind of make it swirl differently based on the music. What does this remind me of? Like Stranger Things or something? Oh, did it already finish, or? Yeah. Let's do a Windsurf. So we'll accept this stuff, I think. Let's bring this shader into... Wow, the zoom on Windsurf is especially not usable. Into audio. What is going on? Okay, shaders. Did we add this one? I'm gonna get rid of the wobble core. Let's make this something weird. I like the images it's making for this. Kind of cool. Mumble speak.
Flotter est dit que tout para mettre toi de l'autre zapani parfone chidaki pelama taratimo traklama toma balotto flotter est dit que l'on dit le para parfois Vibecoding, que l'homme, que la pomme da globe.
I kind of want this on my wall. Okay, I think one thing though with this, it's a little too much background stuff. Like where does the? I think we should have it on a few, but not on all of them. So I'll specify that. The drop shadows. Let's keep these ones a little more minimalistic because they are the on the editor. Drop shadows. It just shows like no matter what you put in, it'll sound good. You can put in a bunch of random letters. Also, this made it look better because even though they're all a bunch of buttons, I don't know, it looks like I intentionally did that. Oh, that's cool. I really like the hover tooltip. Oh, I like this too. That looks good. Oh, maybe we change the style of this guy over here. Excuse me. Oh, did I get rid of the? Oh, I guess it did. I think it looks good. Yeah, let's move maybe this one over a bit. Oh, nice. It worked. That's crazy. That was cool. Cool. Let's make sure it's flush with the... Actually... Okay, no, but let's do the... Oh, I like how I did the highlighting there. Because it kind of like differentiates. This is the select one by the color. But let's make... Hey, old gamer. How's it going, man? Good to see ya. Move it up and make it flush. And then we'll set it so the playback will have the same style too. What do you think of the new style, Old Gamer? It's like a so this is it before. This is after. Oh, I see. I moved it all the way up here, generally. Okay, cool. That looks pretty good. Now let's actually, yeah, that looks pretty good. Maybe cool. Yeah, it just generated Gemini's. I did kind of like a retro style or something. Like, it originally generated this, and I thought this was kind of a cool style. So I was like, okay, let's ask Grok for the terminology for like what this would be called, and I made this stuff. So I like what it did with this. I think I'm gonna save that. Wait, Old Gamer, isn't this similar to your website? I remember you sent a website kind of like a similar. Were you doing a similar kind of style? You kind of went for like that retro, like your prompt and stuff. I think it makes sense. This is like it's like arcade feel. Similar to your website, I remember yeah. For the styles, I was using a 2.5 Pro. I didn't even realize I was. But... These are the new songs. Yeah. Old school hacker vibe. Oh yeah, and let's also make this one the same style. That's cool. Ooh, I like this one. I think Neon Requiem. But it's the synth soul has been pretty good. Anything with soul is good, like neo soul. Okay, so I'm gonna commit that. Let's style this one now. Oh, it's still going. Oh, nice. Like, I want like a glow maybe around the player. Also, it'd be cool if it changes the buttons as well. Oh, it is. Great. So I'm going to remove those last changes it did. But other than that, let me check if all the players were changed. Nice. Oh, I don't actually want to create a chat. What's the page called? I like this one too. Oh, nice. But I kind of like what we were doing before, like on this page where we have this on one side. Oh, you can see everything really easily. And maybe make it match the main side here. Not a big deal. While we wait, let's make some more shaders. Find some more. That's true. Does look like this. Guys, they're like a repo with a bunch of cool shaders. Just like this one. It's a cool one. Oh, I like this one. Oh, that's cool. I think we did add this one, right? Oh, I see something there. I think maybe the colors are not quite. It's doing a similar thing here.
Flow, I-E-S-G-K, say what word for O-S.
Didn't we already query it to be left and right? I think it did something. We did this playing and building with AI for over a year and it still blows my mind. Yeah, today, I mean,